In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile picture on Notion. This quick walkthrough is designed to be clear and easy to follow, so you can update your profile image smoothly and have it reflected across your workspace right away. Changing your profile picture helps personalize your account and makes collaboration easier, especially when you are working with others who need to recognize you at a glance. To begin, move your mouse over to your profile icon, located in the top left corner of the Notion interface. At this moment, the icon may appear as the initial of your name, along with your name displayed beside it. Once you hover over that area, click on the profile icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu contains several options related to your account and workspace settings. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage different aspects of your account. After the Settings page opens, look toward the top area where your profile information is displayed. You will see your profile icon again at the top. Go ahead and click on that profile icon once more. When you click it, you will notice that the initial icon now acts as an upload photo button. Click on that initial again to open your file selection window. At this point, simply browse through your computer and look for the image that you want to use as your new profile picture in Notion. Choose an image that is clear and easy to recognize, since this photo will represent you across your workspace. After selecting the image you want, click Open. Notion will automatically upload the image and apply it as your new profile picture. You do not need to save anything manually because the change happens instantly. Once the upload finishes, you should immediately see your new profile picture displayed in place of the initial. Keep in mind that using a square image with good lighting usually works best for profile pictures. This helps ensure your photo looks clean and properly framed in all areas of the app. If you ever want to change it again, you can simply repeat the same process. That is all there is to it. You have successfully changed your profile picture on Notion. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.